You are going to love the 2015 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, stability control, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel drive, cruise control, remote keyless entry, tachometer, daytime running lamps. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.